Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, your go-to destination for raw and real automotive reviews. Today, we're diving into something truly next level: the 2026 Kenworth T2050 Motorhome. This beast isn't just a motorhome. It's a luxurious land yacht built on a rugged commercial truck chassis. Let's talk about presence first. The Kenworth T2050 is massive. With its bold chrome grille, LED headlights, and that iconic Kenworth badge front and center, this motorhome commands attention. It rides on a heavy-duty chassis that's originally designed for long-haul freight. So you know durability is not even a question. Under the hood, you're looking at a turbocharged 12.9-liter PACCAR MX-13 engine, pushing out a solid 515 horsepower and over 1,850 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 12-speed automatic transmission, the T2050 glides on highways effortlessly, even when fully loaded. And yes, this thing tows like a monster, easily handling boats, trailers, or even another car without breaking a sweat. Now step inside, and it's a completely different world. The cabin is decked out in handcrafted leather, polished wood, and ambient lighting that gives off that luxury hotel vibe. You've got a full-size kitchen with smart appliances, a spa-style bathroom with heated floors, and a master bedroom that actually feels like one. There's even a slide-out entertainment lounge with a 75-inch OLED TV and a built-in surround system. Basically, it's a 5-star suite on wheels. Tech-wise, it's loaded. The 2026 T2050 comes with a full smart home setup: voice controls, remote diagnostics, solar charging, and even satellite internet. The cockpit features a digital dash, heads-up display, and adaptive cruise control, making long-distance driving a breeze. Now, let's talk about fuel economy, or the lack of it. It's not a Prius, obviously. You'll get about 6 to 8 mpg, depending on load and driving conditions. But if you're in the market for a luxury motorhome like this, efficiency probably isn't your top priority. Price? It starts at $650,000 and can easily cross $800K with customization. But for that price, you're getting unmatched performance, comfort, and reliability wrapped into one futuristic package. So, is the 2026 Kenworth T2050 worth it? If you're a serious traveler looking to go off-grid in absolute comfort and style, then yes, 100%. This motorhome is built to go the distance, and it's designed for people who want to take the road less traveled in the most premium way possible. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more deep dive reviews just like this. This is Honest Auto Wheels, and we'll see you on the next ride.